Back when I got involved in immigration, there really wasn't as well organized a academic preparation structure as there is now. There was a course in immigration law when I went to law school. I took it, and it blended some of my other interests. My interest in corporate law, my interest in employment and labor law. Immigration was just a nice sort of intersection of all of those areas that were of interest to me in law school. And on from there, I think it really became a very natural fit for me because it really it impressed upon me at a very early stage in my career, again, this concept of having a profound impact on people's lives. And then as a younger associate, I was much more directly involved in the actual face-to-face contact with clients and much more involved in their actual case preparation. So I learned a lot more about their interests and their needs. And on the other side of the equation, I got to learn a lot more about their businesses. So it was actually fascinating, great learning experience for me to understand areas like pharmacokinetics, information technology at a very early stage of the IT boom. So it was both wonderful personally from a growth perspective, but also rewarding from the positive impact I was having on people. Like a lot of my peers back when I started, we got involved through more an opportunity that made itself available at the right, again, being at the right place at the right time. For me, for example, my professor in my immigration law course became my first employer. And then after about 13 years working in what would be euphemistically referred to as a boutique practice, that means we had 4 lawyers really, only had 4 lawyers in our practice, I had an opportunity to come work for Fragomen. And having worked in New York and having worked very closely with many of the lawyers in the firm and having competed against Austin for business, I really did understand that this was a great opportunity, and I was very pleased, now 15 years ago almost this week, to have had the opportunity to come join the firm.